Welcome to Newell's Auto Body. We are Decatur, Illinois' premier collision repair center, and we'd like to give you a quick tour of our facilities to show you what makes us the best choice for your repairs. Our office is located on West Harrison Avenue. This is where you'll be greeted by our experienced estimators and friendly office staff. Our estimators will document the damage on your vehicle, work with your insurance company to help coordinate the claim process, and either write an estimate or schedule a repair plan. Every car that comes into Newell's for repairs gets a pre-wash in our 2,000 square foot detail department. Scratches and dents are hard to see when there's dirt on the paint, so a pre-wash allows us to clearly assess the damage. When your repair is complete, your vehicle will return to this department to be buffed and polished to a factory finish, as well as receive a final cleanup. If your vehicle has minor dents or indentations such as hail damage or parking lot door dings, we may be able to fix them using Paintless dent repair. This is a technique where we use special metal rods and picks to push out the dents from the inside of the body panel without the need to repaint. Paintless dent repair is priced at a fraction of the cost of conventional repair and has a faster turnaround time. One of our most popular services is our Fast Lane Repair service. Fast Lane repairs include small repairs such as bumper replacement, headlamp or tail light replacement, mirror repair, or any other repair that involves only a single panel of the vehicle. We typically have these repairs completed in only 1 to 3 days. For more difficult repairs that can't be handled in our Fast Lane department, we create a complete repair plan for your vehicle soon after it arrives. The process consists of a disassembly technician partnering with a repair planner to create a blueprint for the repair of your vehicle. This exposes any hidden damage and identifies all the required parts, operations, and materials needed at the beginning of the process. Ordering parts and getting approvals up front helps to eliminate delays later in the repair process, saving time and money. We take extra care during the repair planning process to map out the damage on your vehicle, protect the interior, organize damaged parts on our parts carts, and perform a pre-disassembly condition inspection. Once the repair plan is complete, we contact you with an estimated completion date for your vehicle and answer any questions you may have. Located in our lower building is our mechanical shop. This is where we have our alignment rack, a tire machine, and more. Sometimes during a collision, mechanical work is needed. Our full-time ASE certified mechanic handles alignments, suspension work, air conditioning, steering, or other issues that may be damaged during a collision. Depending on the damage, some vehicles require assessment of mechanical damage before the production process can begin. Having the advanced equipment and a dedicated mechanic allows these procedures to be done in-house, reducing delays in the repair process. We've partnered with Smart Express to perform Advanced Driver Assistance Systems, or ADAS, diagnostic scans before and after we repair a vehicle. These scans ensure that after your collision repair, your vehicle's vital safety features are working as they were originally designed to keep you and your passengers safe. Scans are performed using the auto manufacturer's software to detect any issues and to complete any calibrations required due to vehicle damage. Located in our production building, our dedicated parts department houses approximately 30 parts carts that are strategically loaded. Our parts manager has over 20 years experience handling all types of replacement parts. Each order gets carefully checked as it's received. Every part is then mirror matched to the damaged part on a cart to confirm the accuracy of the replacement part. Over in our bodywork area, our technician team has 3 dedicated body techs who provide dent repair, frame and structural work, sectioning and panel replacement, welding, and aluminum repair using the most advanced equipment. We've been recognized as an ICAR Gold facility since 2013. Only the top 20% of shops complete this rigorous training requirement. We're proud to be in the unique position of having a completely separate facility for aluminum repair. If aluminum is not kept separate from other repairs, cross-contamination can occur and may cause corrosion. Being a Ford certified aluminum repair center, this is something we take very seriously. This area includes Ford-specific hand tools, aluminum welder, and dust and fume extraction equipment. Our structural technicians are specifically trained in aluminum repair and certified in aluminum welding. Over in our paint and refinishing department, our two state-of-the-art 28-foot downdraft drive-through paint booths sets NEWELL'S paint department above the rest. We can accommodate larger vehicles like SUVs and crew cab trucks. The advanced drying system accelerates the curing process, providing a cleaner, stronger finish. Our experienced painter of 20 years leads a team of 3 preppers. Their commitment to perfection is continuous as they have completed the highest level of PPG refinishers training and continue I-CARD training on a yearly basis. We're conscious about the environment as well as the health and safety of our paint team. We use PPG EnviroBase waterborne paint as part of our commitment to decreasing our impact on the environment. With our highly trained team using the best equipment, we're able to achieve a perfect color match and durable quality finish. Our reassembly area is strategically placed between our paint department and our disassembly team to allow the technicians to easily consult with other departments as they rebuild the vehicle. During this phase, the technicians meticulously reassemble each repaired and refinished vehicle with precision. Then they review each work order for completion, as well as the functionality of the repairs, before the vehicle goes to the cleanup and quality inspection departments. When your repairs are complete, your sparkling clean vehicle will be waiting for you in our lot, close to our front office. Just stop into the front office and get your paperwork and keys, and you're back on the road. Thanks for touring our facilities. We hope you see why NEWELL'S Auto Body is the obvious choice of collision repair facilities in the unfortunate event that you might need one. We know getting in an accident is stressful. Let us make the repair process easier and get you back on the road safely.